Welcome back, everyone. Yes, we are at Uvas Canyon County Park again. This time after the floods. Check this out, you guys. Current trails closed. Attention, trail closures. So there's going to be some things different, I'm assuming. Just go ahead and walk up these steps. This is really a clean park, you guys. The area is nice and kept. The restrooms are actually clean. Let's go ahead and take a walk up these stairs. We've got a little bit of a mish. So here we go. Stop off in this bathroom really quick. Show you guys a bathroom before I go to the bathroom. Look at that. It even smells like soap. It's clean. Give me a second. Whoo! I feel about 5 pounds lighter. What? You jealous? Check it out, you guys. Amphitheater over there. Got all the day use benches and tables over here. And it's cool because you could hear the water already. There was some crazy floods going on over here a few months ago, you guys. So I'm really curious to see what these falls are looking like now. But you could hear the water from here. I mean, even before the floods, you could hear the water from here. But now, it just sounds stronger. Let's see if I can't hit this little rock area over here, guys. Ho, 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 ho. Look at that. See that area down there, guys? It's all running water. Ooh, that is pretty cool. It's filled up from what I remember. Ooh, there's like poison everywhere. Let's go this way. Go up that way. Get away from all that stuff. Poison oak right there, right on you. Do not touch any plants when you're up here. No plants need to be touched. Check this out, guys. Look at that. Sun is peeking through. Walk with me, guys. If you guys are singers, comedians, rappers, actors, you could put on your own little show right here. The nice little amphitheater. It's pretty cool. When I was younger, my grandparents had taken me to Big Sur. And I always remember going to the amphitheater over there. I mean, I only went there once as a kid. So, amphitheaters always remind me of my grandparents. Let me know if your grandparents took you somewhere or had taken you somewhere that every time you go to that certain place or something similar to it, it reminds you of them. Woo! I'm a little out of shape, guys. We walk most of the time, but probably the last 2 weeks I have not walked. We haven't went anywhere where it requires a lot of walking. Here we go. It's a nice day today, guys. Really nice day. Got cars coming through. See this? Wood campfires allowed in designated fire rings. This hike is pretty awesome, especially for the payout that you get for it. You get to see this beautiful creek. Look at that. That is really nice. You guys hear that? Hoo, hoo, hoo. This is a cool place to be. I believe the charge to get in was like $6 to get in the door, or to get the little day use sticker. And I think for like $80–90 you could get the year-round placard. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be a nice one today, guys. This one over here is my favorite area. Wow, it is completely different. Wow, that is really cool. You guys have to be careful with the rattlesnakes that they got out here. See, if you go to the other side over here, where we were just looking at, on the opposite side, you see where it comes through down there. So it's pretty cool. And here we are. This is where you want to be, guys. You want to go to the Waterfall Loop Nature Trail. Start here. There's your map. See that? Waterfall Loop Nature Trail. Let's go the long way. Now I'm looking for an area. I have a few areas in my mind of where I want to do my video, because I have a video that I'm going to be doing, guys. Check the channel. Give me a like. Give me a subscribe. Beats and Instros. Hit me up. Give me some comments. Give me a little bit of love, you guys. Check this out. California blackberry. See that? It is looking really healthy here, guys. Really healthy here. Wow. Check that out. That is looking really good. These rock stairs are really cool. Look at that. That is freaking awesome. I always loved this place. It is really cool. See this? Swanson Creek Trail. Woo! Poison oak, just like I said. Don't touch it, guys. You'll be itchy and scratchy. Look at that. That Granuja Falls. Granuja Falls. That is really beautiful. This is one of my favorite areas. I probably wouldn't mind doing it right here in my video. This is a really cool spot. I've done videos here already at this waterfall. This is one of the better waterfalls here, only because it has a cool little sit area. And if you need a little table to make snacks or to put whatever you're gonna do on a little rock or something, they have that right here. It's pretty cool. Look at this. Wow. Wow. That is pretty breathtaking, guys. This whole little area is cool. Granuja, however you want to say it. Look at how crystal clear that water is, guys. Wow. This is so beautiful here. Look at that. And like I was saying, if you guys needed like a rock or something to put your stuff on, that's it right there. You can sit on it. Look at this. This right here, guys, is my little slice of heaven. Look at that. Not much better than this in my book, guys. This is my relax place. Look at how beautiful that water is looking, guys. Wow. That is so nice. Wow. All the way down there. Wow. That is really cool here. I think we're gonna go try and see what's left up as far as the trails. Because like it said, some of them are closed. So we might have to come back here and shoot the video that I'm going to be shooting. That one will probably have to be age restricted because of the content. But you know what channel this is. We travel. We go places. Show off glass. Show off rolling skills. Woo! Woo! It is a beautiful day, you guys. Check this out. I feel so lucky today. Look at that. I really love exploring, especially when you know there's something cool at the end, you know? Like that waterfall was so cool. That was already the payoff. But then you go, wait, there's more? Why, yes, there is a little bit more. I think I've been to most of the waterfalls, maybe all of the waterfalls here. So, but my favorite one is that one, the first one we just went by, because that one just seems more people friendly. You know, it has a nice little area where you could stand and sit. And most of the other ones over here, guys, they're a little less friendly. You gotta stand on rocks, all kinds of stuff to get to, or just even relax. Woo! Keep it trucking, guys. This right here coming up is my second favorite area, but to get to it you have to go backwards around the loop if you want to get to it first. Now we're gonna take the long way and go the right way around the loop, but this right here, you guys, Himalayan blackberry number 6 right here, that is actually a really cool little area right there. When we come back, we'll be coming back on that bottom area, I think, because like I said, The sign says some of the trails are closed, so we might not be able, we might have to take a shortcut somewhere, because see that right there, that's blocked. That was the trail to come back up. See this right here? The loop road. Waterfall loop road. Look at that. See that right there? That's the easy way to get up out of there. I'm not sure we're going to be able to go the way I'm hoping for, but I guess we'll see. All of this is so nice. Look at that. This place is easily one of my favorite places in the world to be. They don't make it seem friendly to come up here. You kind of get misled because it says if you don't have reservations that they will turn you away. Well, that kind of sucks, because what if you came and drove 2 hours or an hour to get here and you didn't even know you had to have reservations just to use the day park? You know, there's a bunch of signs, and what sucks is to get here, there's a private property road, and you have to cross through that private property road to get to this county park. So they have a bunch of signs that kind of make you feel unwelcomed. It's kind of hard to explain. When you come up here, you'll see. It's like very strict seeming. And then when you find out it doesn't mean anything, you're like, wow. Okay. I'm gonna hoof it and get back to you guys. Whew. Okay, you guys. First sign of bad news. That's the bridge you have to cross to come back the loop. To come back through the loop. See, there's the trail down there. Right there. That's the trail. It goes all the way up to the bridge. I don't think you could do the loop. I don't think you can. I'm not sure if I should even keep going up higher, because where I want to go is where that loop is at. You have to take the loop to get where I want to go. So I do not know if I should waste the energy to keep going. Let's see. I'm looking right at the bridge. Oh yeah, it's closed. There's actually a piece of wood blocking the entrance. See it right there? Right there. That wood is blocking the entrance. Okay. Maybe we'll keep going a couple. So, oh yeah, it's all blocked. Even that one over there, that bridge is blocked as well. Okay, stay tuned. Guess we're gonna keep it hoofing all the way up. Look at all that cascading water. There's like 100 mini falls. Oops, there went my water. Okay. Go. It's a nice one today, guys. It is a nice one. Sun is out. Stay tuned. Woo. It's a little bit of a trek, guys. I forgot how hard this trek was. On a scale of 1 to 5 of hardness, I would give it a 2. Look at that, guys. Woo! Bumblebees around the trees. Must be because I smell so sweet. Look at that. This is another waterfall, you guys. This one isn't that good. But it's at the end of this trail over here. See this right here? Don't touch any of those. None of those. That's all poison, guys. None of that stuff. Don't touch it. You'll get poison. Ooh. There is so much poison oak. Don't touch that. None of that. End up in the hospital getting shots. Ooh. Did you guys make it to the end?
Yeah.
Is the waterfall there still?
Yeah. It's not that far.
Right up there. Is it small?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Keep it going, guys. Ooh. Do not touch any of those trees or bushes. Stay away from those bushes, guys. All that stuff is poison oak. Whew. Trying to put my water in my pocket. Just take it up these stairs. All that poison oak. So much poison out here, guys. Woo. There she is. In all of her splendor. She is a tender. Yeah. All the way up there, guys. Look at that. If you want to, you could go up over these. We did that in the previous video, but it's just kind of small up there. Had all that drip. Woo. Okay. I think we're gonna go back to the Granuja. That's probably the move. Or to that other one, the second one. And just go in reverse. That's what we're gonna have to do, guys. Hold on. Let me get around. Look at all of that water. Holy Toledo. Holy Fallujah. All the way down. Look how clean that water is. It is so pure. It is of the purest concentrate. It's a really nice, easy trail for you guys to tackle. How you guys doing? Good, good, thank you. Woo. I think we went on the wrong one. Let's see. Let's see where this one takes us. We went up instead of going down. So let's go this way to turn ourselves around. See, that's where we need to be right there, guys. down there. You can see over there though that it loops. This is where the big trail loops and where the little trail here that we're on loops back. We didn't come back the way we went up. There's another little trail that goes off to the right. And if you don't pay attention, like I didn't, you could accidentally take it. Check that out. I wonder where that goes. See that? Somebody or something goes up there. Woohoo! This is so beautiful out here. Minimal traffic every time I come here. Maybe once since that I've been here, there was a lot of people. But other than that, whoa, other than that one time, not very many. Look at all of that. Wow, that is so nice. See over there where that bridge is? That's where we walked up. And then we walked down that way. Check this out. Let's see what's down here. Kind of got to walk down this slippery stuff right here. Woo! Yee! Man, it is so warm. It's warm and shady out here. Nice and shady. You can find shade anywhere here. Look at all of this drop and stop. Look at that. That's pretty close, guys. Woo! Look at all of that water drip. Wow. It's hard to cut out any of this video because everything here is just so pretty, guys. Well, there it is. Bridge closed. Okay. I'm gonna turn around and walk the way I came. Okay, you guys. Woo. Okay, you guys. We are walking back. The bridge right there is closed. You see it right there. So there is no doing the loop. This is my second time not being able to do the loop. There we go. Area closed. Right there. Darn it. Look at that. It's been a while too. It's been a while since they've had this open. I would think they would have already opened that up. I'm gonna guess it's been. It doesn't look like they're doing anything to clean that either. I'm gonna guess it's been at least a month or two since those crazy floods. I think they're about a month and a half ago, maybe 2 months ago, possibly. I don't know, but we are walking back, you guys. So thank you for staying tuned this long. And if you stayed this long, you might as well go ahead and give me a like. Give me that thumbs up for me. Come on, guys. Help me out. Help grow my channel so I could go more places. Give me a subscribe. Share the videos. Watch them. A matter of fact, I have a hiking playlist. Go into my playlists and check that one out. I might go somewhere you might like. And also, if you guys have a cool place in California or possibly Nevada that I have not gone to yet, leave it in the comments. I do love to explore. All right, you guys, stay nice and hydrated. Peace.